Canadian armored vehicle manufacturer Roshel offers to replace the failed German contract for 400 armored vehicles for Ukraine, as reported by Bild. Roshel's CEO Roman Shimonov has stepped forward with a proposal to provide superior armored vehicles at half the cost and proposes to build a factory in Germany that could produce Senator family of armored vehicles. Shimonov's offer to German Defense Minister Boris Pistorius includes a promise of prompt delivery, with 100 units of the new Senator MRAP ready for immediate shipment to Ukraine. Additionally, Roshel boasts a production capacity of 140 vehicles per month, ensuring a steady supply of armored vehicles. Furthermore, Shimonov assured that Roshel's MRAPs meet NATO standards for mine protection, having undergone rigorous testing and certification. He emphasized the company's track record of successful deliveries to Ukraine, with over 1,000 APCs and MRAPs supplied on schedule. In a bold move aligned with their commitment to support Ukraine, Roshel proposed the establishment of a factory in Germany. This initiative, according to Shimonov, would not only streamline logistics and create jobs but also contribute to the country's economy. While the response from the German Defense Ministry remains pending, Green Party lawmaker Sebastian Schäfer expressed openness to exploring all available options to assist Ukraine, signaling a willingness to consider Roshel's proposal.